first how we can create the point. So I can go to choose the point. In the point, you can go for the creations. In the creation, you can able to select these points. Here you can able to add. Here automatically the system will generate the civil tutorials. Here you can find out the existing ground points PENZD and you can open it. So after that you can go to choose PENZD here also because the points file format is available here. After that you can go for the points group and I can create P1 and I can press OK and I can go to select this. So now that point is generating. Okay. So now you can find out the file already created here. So here the points. So you can go to the points group in the prospector view. So you can go to right click, go to property. In case you need to change any styles, for example, I can go for the benchmark. So I can go for only elevation. So here you can able to change it and you can apply and you can press OK. Right. So now you understand it's automatically the system will generate a light. Okay. Right. Now I can go back to my surface and I can go to create my surface here. Surface also, for example, I just create the name surface A. Otherwise, you can create like as per your project name or something. It's up to you. So I just go for OK. And description, you have to type the description. And don't forget you can go for TIN surface and press OK. Now the system create the surface. You can go to prospectus view and go to surface, create the surface A. You can select and go to definitions, go to the point group and right click, go to add. Now here you can find out your point and apply and OK. So now you can understand how it will be working on, right? Okay. So after that, what you are doing? So now you can go back to point one, right click, go to properties. In the properties, you can go to choose and keep it none because now we just switch off the points, not switch off, just we can keep it none and apply and OK. Now you can find out this is your surface is creation. Even surface also you can just select. Okay, you can just go for the right click and go to properties. So you can find out the properties as per the project surface. And you can go to choose the surface properties and edit surface style. In the edit surface style, you can go for the borders. You can find out these are the things available. You can go for the information. You can find out the information. You can go for the grid. You can go for the summary. You can find out all the things, information you can find out here. Surface properties. Now I can go to choose the surface style. No display. Surface style, I can go for the border only and apply and OK. Now you can understand. Now it will be created like this way. Okay. So it will be created like this way. So after that, I can go to choose my home. I can go to choose alignment and creation, alignment creation tools. So don't forget you should be name the alignment. So I can create for one. Okay. And you can press OK. And I can just go for the alignment style, become layout. I can go to choose major and minor only. And here it's easiest way you can able to find out the tangent with curve. You can just click. Now you can find out each and every station is available. After that, you can just close it. You can go back to alignment and choose the offset alignment. So just select, go to choose it, and here it's based on alignment one. Okay, here if you want, you can create the name. Okay, so I just leave now, but here I will change 5 meters and 5 meters, and site I will keep it none. Alignment offset also I'll just keep styles also I just keep it offset. If you want to give for offset or layout or basics, as per that one, I just leave. Labels I created like no labels, and okay. Now you can find out it's showing like this way. Okay, right. After that, what you have to do it? After that, you can just select the alignment somewhere here, and you can create the add winding. See, for example, it's create the new alignment. So yes, you can just press yes, select the station. Don't forget when you click this one, it should be point in the station. After that, it is asking for the second one. Now you can go for 10 mm wide. I can go for the left. So you can find out it's already here. So how we can able to manage these things? You can just click, right click, go to the edit offset parameters, and you can find out. See, for example, I can go for the curve around 50, and here also I just go 50. So the system already generated, like I can put like this, but system generate how much it will be going. So even here also you can go for 50 and the system will generate it like that. Okay. So this is the way we can create these things. So after that everything finish, I can just go close it. Now I can go back to my alignment tool middle. I just click. I can go for the surface profile. So I can just add the profile. Straight away, I just go for the draw the profile because just for learning purpose. So I just create like this. So this profile is created. After that, I can just select and right click, edit profile view style. I can just create, undo this. I just click this vertical and horizontal grid and I just apply and okay. Now you can understand how we create the profile from the surface. So this is a way we have to present the alignment through profile depends on our surface. Okay.